Popping your knuckles leads to arthritis, but it's just a myth, really. Inside your joints, there is a special substance called synovial fluid. It acts like a lubricant for your bones. When you pull or bend your finger, the space between the joints increases, causing the pressure to drop rapidly. This drop in pressure creates tiny vacuum bubbles of gas. When these bubbles suddenly collapse, they create that loud pop sound. In fact, one doctor cracked only his right hand for 60 years and found 0 signs of arthritis in either hand.